ACTR, Camille.
Sir, kumusta po?
Hello guys, I'm Crane.
Hello po, I'm Tati.
What is up, I'm G. I'm Charlie.
Hi, I'm Miguel.
Hello po, I'm Lawrence. Hello guys, I'm Jen. Hello po, I'm Kian.
Hello, this is Kiel.
Hello po, ako po si Alas. Hi everyone, this is Wayne.
Magandang araw po, ako po si Loy.
And you're watching Mix, the beat of our future. Youthful, very youthful po. University album.
Relatable.
Relatable.
Yeah.
Fun, of course. The songs are really fun to listen to as well.
Makulit, yes. Because nakikita po dito sa album namin yung kulit side ng Aster.
For me, diverse. Kasi makikita dun yung different personalities ng as a students. And then, makikita yung introvert, extrovert, ano yung feeling ni introvert masaktan. May mga ganun. Nag-explain. So, ayun, very diverse po yung masasabi ko sa concept ng album.
Feeling ko lahat po kami, we feel emotional when like thinking na mag-release po kami ng new album po lahat. Kasi yun nga po, ang dami na po namin pinagdaanan as a group. And we are very passionate po sa ginagawa namin. And we don't give up talaga. Kaya ayun, nandito na po kami, mag-release na po kami ng bagong album.
And super grateful po kami sa lahat ng naniwala po sa amin, lalo na sa management, sa ABS-CBN Music, 1MM, Star Pop, and Global Academy of Rock. Dahil talagang binigyan nila kami ng chance para ilabas yung mga creative juices namin. Kaya thank you po sa lahat ng nagtiwala sa amin.
And of course, sa aming Twinkles din po, maraming salamat for staying with us kahit anong mangyari sa amin. Yeah, we love you guys.
It's always been parang may mali. Like ever since before it came, we had the final version. Even since the demo pa lang, we had meetings with the bosses. Demo pa lang, I know that this is a pop, and I know for sure that it'll be on the album. And it did, the album. I don't know, I just like it so much. It's like my top favorite album.
Ako po, personally, I love Cupido. And kasi very university vibe yung Cupido kasi like when syempre kapag students tayo, di ba? Diyan natin unang may experience yung love, yung mga campus crushes natin, ganyan. Tapos favorite line ko pa po doon yung chorus namin, yung hindi na. Tinetest ko lang kayo. Ayun po, Cupido, the best.
Honestly po, tinitake po namin yung challenge po na yun kasi gaya nga po ng sinasabi namin palagi, we may have 12 voices pero meron din po kaming 24 ears para mag-isa. And yeah, because of that, mas nalaman po namin yung mas maraming options, mas maraming creative juices na lumalabas, mas maraming opinions, mas maraming ideas. Kaya yeah, lagi po kami nagsusundo sa isang solution, isang answer para maging answer ang isang answer.
For me po, gusto ko parang mas maganda po na ipakanta yung parang may mali po kasi bukod po sa maganda po talaga yung kanta and yung steps po kasi sobrang dali niya lang sundan, so pang TikTok po talaga siya, so paano siya, ganito siya, ganyan. 5, 6, 7, go! 5, 6, 7, go! Parang may mali, parang may mali, baby. Parang may mali, parang may mali. Can't help it, parang may mali, parang may mali, baby. Parang may mali, parang may mali.
Siguro po, hindi na rin po kasi sa amin bago yung mga ganito. Kaya nagsiset po kami lagi ng meeting. And doon po kami nag-meet halfway. Parang example po lang distribution. Parang minimake sure po namin na lahat po kami may tagto 2 lines. Ganun din po sa pagko-choreo and sa recording po.
Yes po, and actually po, yung
system po namin, we have a system po kasi sa grupo, and yung iba po nagugulat sila na, ay talaga, may ganyan kayo kasi we have like individual places and strength, and meron po kaming mga committees. For example, meron pong finance team, may social media team, may PR, may events team, and binubuo po namin lahat yon. Parang isa na po kaming kumpanya, kumbaga. and I'm so proud to say na yung ginagawa po namin before, nagiging effective siya kasi we do it all together, and by doing so, ay nakakapag-create po kami ng magandang output, and here we are, meron po kaming album launch, and grabe, sobrang excited po kami later.
First of all, gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Twinkle sa walang sawang pag-support po sa akin. And of course, and sana pag napakinggan nila to parang ma-feel, parang ma-inspired sila through our music, and I hope ma-light yung mood nila pag napakinggan nila to. And ayun na, parang yung music kasi namin, parang more on, parang cheer, parang fun, playful, something like that.
But actually, iba't ibang emotion siya. Kahit upbeat siya, merong pag-broken, may masakit, may
Talagang
Was the way.
Yes, tama. And then actually all of our songs is for our Twinkles naman kasi talaga. Kaya we really hope that all of our songs somehow inspired the Twinkles, and not just the Twinkles, also the Casuals as well. Kaya we're really excited na ma-push through na ng album na to kasi for the first time, mapapakinggan na ng ibang Twinkles exclusively. And yeah, we can't wait na ma-release siya this August 21. Kaya really hope that you guys are also tuned in for that as well.
Yes, and the pre-save link is already out now, so
Yes.
please come to our social media page to, be part of the pre-save people.
Pre-save. Expect more visuals. And when I say visuals, anything that you can imagine. So, like, expect more visually, expect something light, something colorful. I know summer is done, but we're gonna try to bring that vibe, that energy, that bright, brilliant, vibrant vibe back. Actually, yeah, kasi yan yung dapat yung aabangan, guys. Kasi we don't just focus on one goal. We try to explore everything sa path namin. Kaya, we can't set one goal right now. Kaya look forward kung ano yung mapapadaan na, sir, and yes, kung saan kami dadalhin
ng aming mga pangalan.
ng aming mga pangalan. But we're gonna feed the fans.
Yeah.
We know what our Twinkles want, so expect that from us.
Please do follow our pages.
Yes, stay tuned.